Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to Chennai. So packing the bag, took three dresses. One is for the marriage, one is for the reception, and one for spare I kept. And my jilbab for prayer. Then two scarves for all the dresses. One set of burqa and two set of night dresses. Then emergency kit and some toiletries, essentials, towel, etc. I packed the bag. Now I'm going to pack my small bag. In this I'm going to take the things which I will need: purse, hand sanitizer, wipes, body lotion, lip balm and hand cream. In this Janimas, Quran, Tasbih, and my charger. And I'm all set and done with packing. Took bath, got ready, prayed my tahajjud. Then while after praying tahajjud, I started cleaning the room because I'll be there in Chennai for 4 days and my room will become a total mess. So I had to clean the room after praying. Read Quran. Removed all the old bed sheets and bed covers. Then removed the bed sheet. Clean the mattress. Actually, it was very difficult to remove the bed cover because the mattress was heavy. Then cleaned it. Then I put it a blue floral bed cover. Cleanly arranged. Put it the pillow covers and changed the small pillow covers as well. Just did the light cleaning here so that it does not become dusty. Cleaned it nicely. Actually, my train was at 6 o'clock, 6:10. So I had to do everything very fastly and quickly so that I can go to the station early. Cleaned everything thoroughly. And the overall look of the room after cleaning is this. And I placed a bed sheet like a blanket quilt to match the bed sheet. Then sprayed room spray for fresh air and good smell. I had my sahari. I had biryani. Ate my sahari. Got ready. At 4:50, I left the house. Booked a cab. So now I'm leaving. The cab was arrived. I opened, I sat. Telling them a last goodbye. Going to the station, Cantonment. It was not that huge traffic, but little bit of traffic was there. Then I reached Cantonment. Due to the construction, he left me near before itself. So I had to go by walk to the platform 2 where Shatabdi comes. So I took my bag and everything. Heading towards platform 2. I reached the platform 2. My train was at 6:10, so went to C5. Shatabdi Express will come at 6:10, but it came at 6:09 itself. So walking more to C5. Reached C5. Waiting for the train to come. Train came. Got into the train, went to C5. Kept my luggage on top and left Bangalore. They gave water bottle. And after some time, like around 6:30, they gave a tea kit and a biscuit. Since I'm fasting, I didn't have it. And there was a beautiful sight of the sunrise, which was really beautiful, but could not capture it. Bought sneakers. Read some Quran since I want my time to be passed. This breakfast came. It had pongal, sambar, vada, idli, juice and a sweet. Then reached Chennai Central, almost going to reach. Reached Central, got down from the train. I reached Central at 11:08. Booked an auto. Then got into the auto and reached home. Thank you for watching this video.